students. Today we'll discuss about the human digestive system. This is very important topic. So let's start our human digestive system. As you can see here, the complete diagram of human digestive system is formed. यहाँ पे आपके सामने पूरा डायग्राम बना हुआ है, तो हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को. टू आवर कन्वीनियंस वी डिवाइड दिस कंप्लीट सिस्टम इनटू टू पार्ट्स. हम इसे दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. First, alimentary canal, and second, the digestive glands. We will look onto the structure of complete digestive system and the glands and their functions. After that, we'll start the complete digestion process. तो digestion की जो process है वो हम बाद में करेंगे. पहले हम structure से start कर रहे हैं. So here we have divided the complete digestive system into the two parts. Digestive system को आप two parts में divide कर सकते हैं. First है alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, and the second part that is the digestive glands. Second is digestive glands. So this is the easy way to understand. इस तरीके से हम बहुत आसानी से इस पूरे सिस्टम को समझ सकते हैं क्योंकि टू कन्वीनियंट पार्ट में हमने डिवाइड कर लिया. So let's start with the alimentary canal. What is the meaning of this alimentary canal? The digestive system, it has a long tube-like structure. It has a long tube-like structure which starts from the mouth and it ends at the anus. Mouth से start होते हुए anus तक जो complete एक tube जैसी structure हमें यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, this complete structure is known as alimentary canal. इस complete structure को हम alimentary canal बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ से लेते हुए mouth से start करते हुए यहाँ complete last part, this last part is the anus. This last part is the anus. So from mouth to anus, this part is known, this tube-like structure is known as alimentary canal. So ये हो गई हमारी alimentary canal. This alimentary canal, it consists of many parts. ये बहुत सारे parts से बनी है, तभी तो एक complete system form होगा ना. And the glands, it also makes here, they are also present and they help in the digestion. So overall, they make joining of both of these two, a complete digestive system forms. So first we will focus on to the alimentary canal. पहले हम देखते हैं alimentary canal में कौन कौन से parts को हमने include किया है. So parts of the alimentary canal are labeled here. अभी हमने diagram के अंदर सिर्फ alimentary canal के parts को ही label किया है so that it will be easy to you understand this topic. So alimentary canal has the first part. First part is the mouth. Mouth is the first part or the opening of the alimentary canal. This is the opening of alimentary canal. यहाँ से alimentary canal start हो रही है. Then the second part of the alimentary canal is the oral cavity. This oral cavity, the second part, first हमने लिख दिया है mouth है. Second part है oral cavity. Oral cavity is also known as buccal cavity. इसे हम buccal cavity भी बोलते हैं. It's a cavity-like structure. Cavity क्या होता है? Cavity मतलब जो कोई empty space है, खाली space है जो covered है चारों तरफ से. So here our gums, cheeks, they all covers this empty space. That's why we are calling it the cavity. So mouth, this is the starting or the beginning part of the alimentary canal. It opens into the cavity which is known as oral cavity or buccal cavity. So in this cavity, in this oral cavity, we have tongue, we have teeth, and we have palates. All these they help in the digestion. ये सब अपने अपने specific functions perform करते हैं. We know teeth they help in the mechanical digestion. Food को break down करने में, तोड़ने में, ये crushing करने में. That is the function of the teeth. ये teeth का function हो गया. Whereas the tongue which is present in the oral cavity, वो tongue भी यहीं पे present है. Tongue which is a muscular organ, it helps in identifying the taste of the food. फूड के टेस्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करवाती है. साथ में द सलाइवा व्हिच इज सिक्रेटेड हियर इन द ओरल कैविटी, इट्स आल्सो मिक्स्ड विद द फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ टंग. तो सलाइवा को मिक्स करवाएंगे एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट द स्पीकिंग इट्स आल्सो डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ टंग. सो इन ओरल कैविटी टीथ आर देयर and tongue is there which help in the digestion process. ये हुई बात oral cavity की. Then oral cavity opens into the next part of the alimentary canal which is the pharynx. Third part हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं alimentary canal का, that is pharynx. So what is the pharynx? Pharynx is the common passage of alimentary canal, common passage for the food pipe as well as फॉर द विंड पाइप और ट्रेकिया। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जब ओरल कैविटी पीछे की तरफ ओपन होती है तो वहां पे एक कॉमन पासेज है। यहाँ कॉमन पासेज मतलब इस एरिया पे यहाँ से फूड पाइप नीचे जा रही है और इस एरिया से यहाँ से विंड पाइप नीचे जा रही है। इफ यू टच हियर यू विल फील वाइब्रेशन बिकॉज योर विंड पाइप इज प्रेजेंट देयर एंड जस्ट बिहाइंड द विंड पाइप आवर फूड पाइप इज प्रेजेंट। बट ओवरऑल यहाँ से जो ओपनिंग है वो एक कॉमन पासेज से होके आ रही है एंड दिस कॉमन पासेज इज नोन एज pharynx. So this pharynx is the common passes for the air as well as for the food. तो दोनों यहाँ से होके जा रही हैं. So next part हो गया हमारा pharynx. After that pharynx, the next part of the alimentary canal is the food pipe. Pharynx open into the next part that is food pipe. Pharynx open होता है food pipe के अंदर और another name for the food pipe we use the word that is esophagus. It start from the O. Start O से हो रहा है तो don't get be confused. O is silent here. So esophagus, that is the correct pronunciation. So food pipe and the esophagus is the next part of the digestive system. ये हमारा next part form कर रहे हैं. After that, this food pipe पे कुछ और नहीं है. It's just transport the food from oral cavity to stomach. Now next part is the bag-like structure which is stomach. कहाँ पे है? ये रहा. Food number 5. Stomach. After food pipe, next part is the stomach. Stomach is the bag-like structure. It stores the food. ये store करेगा food को and food storage के साथ साथ यहाँ पे food का digestion भी होगा. कौन सा digestion होगा, कैसे होगा, वो हम तब देखेंगे जब हम digestion process करेंगे. So here we can say that our food pipe opens into the next structure, which is a J-shaped bag-like structure. इसकी shape जो होती है वो J-shaped होती है. So it's a J-shaped bag-like structure which stores food for some time so that digestion can be done here. Next part of alimentary canal is the small intestine. Next part stomach के बाद that is the small intestine. Small intestine हो गया हमारा. Next part, this small intestine has 3 different parts. This small intestine can be further divided into 3 parts. Stomach, this is the stomach. This stomach is opening here into this part. This is the small intestine. Here you can see we have labeled it. This is the small intestine. This small intestine can be divided into the 3 parts. The 3 parts of the small intestine are named as, उनके नेम हम देखते हैं क्या क्या नेम है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नॉन एज ड्यूडेनम. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द ड्यूडेनम. सेकेंड पार्ट इज नॉन एज जेजुनम एंड द थर्ड वन इज इलियम. These are the name of 3 parts of the small intestine. A duodenum, the B1 is the jejunum and the C1 is the ileum. So here you can say that stomach. Stomach opens into the duodenum part. That is the part of the small intestine from where it's remain in contact with the stomach. This is duodenum. Duodenum opens to the next part, that is the jejunum, and the next part is known as ileum. All these 3 parts, they combinedly form the small intestine, and in this small intestine the complete digestion of food take place. तो जो भी हमने food खाया है, the food which we have taken through the mouth and that is present in the complex structure, that complex food can be digested through this digestive system. तो stomach में digestion होगा, oral cavity में digestion होगा and finally small intestine तक पहुंचते हुए digestion complete हो जाता है. Some complete digestion take place into the small intestine. After small intestine, the next part of our alimentary canal, we should label it also so we don't get confused. 4th, 5th number is the stomach, 6th is the small intestine, and the 7th one, the next one is, let me erase this so that we can write the next one. 7th is the large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the alimentary canal. Large intestine, as you can see, here is the large intestine. This small intestine, it opens into the next part, that is large intestine. Okay, let me tell you one thing. As you will see that names जो यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं small intestine और large intestine. Never look at the name of these. यहाँ पे जो small और large दिए गए हैं, it's not regarding their length. These names of these 2 parts are not regarding their length. And small intestine is larger in size. Small intestine का साइज जो होता है वो large intestine से बहुत बड़ा होता है. फिर भी नाम क्यों दिए हैं? Reason ये है, these names are based on their diameters. They are given on the basis of their diameters. Small intestine has small diameter. That's why they are known as small intestine. Whereas large intestine has the larger or bigger diameter. That's why they are known as large intestine. तो ये इनके नाम को लेके हमने बात को समझा, तो कभी भी कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है हमें. Seventh part is the large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the alimentary canal, and this large intestine is further divided into the some another parts. इसे भी हम further divide करते हैं. This large intestine is divided into the 3 parts. इसे भी हमने further divide किया है 3 parts के अंदर. These 3 parts of the large intestine are, large intestine के 3 parts के name हम यहाँ लिखते हैं. This name of the large intestine is, that first one is the cecum, second colon, and the third one is the rectum. Cecum, colon and rectum. These 3 are the parts of large intestine. These 3 are the parts of large intestine. ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के पार्ट हो गए. अब देखिए स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन into opening into the large intestine. This part of the large intestine is known as cecum. इसे हम बोलते हैं cecum. Here with the cecum you can see one more structure. यहाँ पे एक और स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई दे रही है. This structure known as appendix. This is known as appendix. This appendix, it is the vestigial organ of the human body. Vestigial organs means ऐसे organ जिनका अब कोई function नहीं होता. When the human being lives into the forest and they behave like an early males, at that time these vestigial organs have their functioning, but right now they do not perform any specific function. So it's not required. So appendix is not required, but still if it has, and if sometimes it creates any problem, then doctors can remove it surgically. So this is appendix. Then this part is known as cecum. This is the first part, cecum. Cecum opens into the next part, which is the colon. Next part of large intestine is the colon. This is the colon. Colon has again 3 parts. इसे हम देख सकते हैं कि ये वाला colon कहलाता है ascending colon, जो कि ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. Then transverse colon, and this one is known as descending colon. These are the further dividation of the colon. If you can keep remember, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's just be like that. You can learn that this is the complete part. यहाँ से लेते हुए यहाँ तक complete part को हम बोलेंगे colon. Colon हो गया. After that, the last part is the rectum. Rectum क्या है? Rectum is this part. This one part is known as rectum. This part is known as rectum. Rectum is the small part which stores the undigested food. जैसे कि अभी मैंने बताया, small intestine में digestion complete हो जाता है. Complete digestion होने के बाद जब food large intestine में जा रहा है, वहाँ पे digestion तो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि वो तो already हो चुका है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे absorption होता है. Absorption of water is happen into the large intestine, and after that the undigested food which is formed, undigested food, it stores into the rectum. वो food rectum में store कर लिया जाता है, and through the anus, the last part, that is the opening of the alimentary canal. Through the anus, the undigested food is released out, and this process is known as egestion. जिसे हम बोलते हैं egestion. So these are the parts of the alimentary canal. अभी हमने human digestive system का एक ही part देखा है, वो है alimentary canal, which is divided into the different parts. Mouth, that is the opening of alimentary canal. Second, oral cavity, which is a cavity-like structure. Then it opens into the pharynx, which is the common passage for air and food. Next one is the food pipe. Next, stomach, which is a big J-shaped bag-like structure. Then it's open to the small intestine. Then it opens into the large intestine, and large intestine opens outside through this anus. So I hope this alimentary canal is clear to you all. Now we will discuss about these digestive glands.